Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. Today we are going to learn about how to add the new category layout in Magento 2 on the category page. Here you can see that if I go to the category, catalog, categories, here you can see that we have a design part. So how I'm going to add a new layout over it. Okay, so here I have added the new magical category layout. How I will going to add it into the layout files. So let's have a look how we are going to do that. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here the files are, so this is my theme. Okay, in the theme we have a Magento catalog, right, and Magento theme, right. In the Magento theme we have a page layout, and in the page layout we have magical layout XML. So basically it's a full-fledged XML. Okay, so here we have go with the update, reference container, right, all of the header, footer, all of the things like category title. Okay, the default category page, you can see that. You can also copy the same layout of anyone and just modified it accordingly. Okay, so here we have an action that set template, product magical list template. Okay, so here we have a set template part, category product dot list. Okay, and whatever you want to remove, you can product add to remove true. So here you can see that. So if I go to this one, this is the test. Okay, so this is basically the category page. So this will have to be, if you want to add you can add, if you want to remove you have to remove, right. Then the way the layout name is coming over here with the help of the layouts.xml. So here you can see that I have defined layout id magical layout, and here translate true with the magical category layout. So that's the reason it's coming over here. You can see that this layout file. So this file will add it, and the magical layout.xml, the full structure of that page. Okay, so whether you want to remove any of the things, so you can use this layout, right. It's category layout. Okay, then we have a Magento catalog. So where it's Magento catalog product. So here where we are fetching the listing product magical list.html. So Magento catalog, then templates magical list.html here. So this is the template of the list. So you can modify it accordingly, right? Whether you want to show the product name, category name, or whatever, you can just modify it accordingly. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. This is how we are able to create a custom category layout file into our Magento 2. So any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.